Day so far on the Chiata. Fall apart. New carpet's all in. Carpet in those tanks must have been a bitch. The boat sure is nicer now that I own it. Still got the gauges to do. They're on the way. Should be Livorsi silver face ones.
What do you think?
Carpet looks cool. Need some seats and gauges. And getting it done.
Well,
Whoa.
I got them fixing it.
They had to come down the miscommunication on the stripe that's supposed to be on the hatch. Turned out to be candy stripes instead of a racing stripe. Other than that, looking good.